You were busy yesterday. You had a lot going on in the afternoon.
I was. So big love to Monroe College because I was there in, big love in New Rochelle. Yay. I was giving a speech about girl power. There was about several thousand girls from all over. There they are. Look at that.
Look at that.
Jam-packed auditorium, 14, 15, 16. Who runs the world? Girls. So we were giving our advice about what we would tell them, a 15, 16-year-old, how to work hard. I was talking about, really setting goals for yourself, having a standard moral character, just speaking from the heart. And it was just so empowering to be there because I was there to inspire them. They inspired me.
They inspired you. It was, one, two-sided deal. Here's the thing. I'm sure that video doesn't do it justice at all. Tony Mazza, who shot the video, was saying Sukanya, like, that was unbelievable. I'm sure he was caught up in it while shooting it, too. So,
well, it's kind of funny.
Awesome,
because I was talking about the journey, right? Life is a journey. And I stood there before these girls, and I said, this guy, Tony Mazza, I met him when I was an intern out on Long Island. And I was, doing everything. Can you take a shot of Tony?
Tony right there. Yeah. He's the one that takes the fine shots all the time.
Yeah, so I was telling Tony, I was like, we've worked hard, and we've seen the progression, and see what hard work can do. You can live your dreams.
That's awesome. Because you're not talking from this paper here when you're talking to the
Which I like to do most of the time.
You're talking from the heart. So, it resonates. It definitely does.
Thank you.
7:51 right now, still ahead this morning. Ken looking at